Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a very practical topic for LLC owners, how to add an employee to your LLC. Whether you're expanding your team for the first time or just need a refresher on the process, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure you're compliant and prepared for your new hire. Let's get started. Steps to add an employee to your LLC: define the job role. Before you post a job listing, clearly define the role you're looking to fill. What are the responsibilities? What skills are required? Defining this up front helps you attract the right candidates and ensures the role aligns with your business goals. Advertise the position. Once you've got a clear job description, it's time to advertise. You can use online job boards, social media, or industry contacts to spread the word. Be clear about the qualifications and include how candidates can apply. Interview candidates. Conduct thorough interviews to find the best fit for your LLC. Prepare questions that help you assess both technical skills and whether the candidate will fit into your company culture. Remember, it's not just about what's on paper. Personality and work ethic are just as important. Select and hire your employee. After the interviews, select the candidate who best fits the role in your company. Offer them the position and discuss the terms of employment, including salary, benefits, and start date. Once agreed, send an official offer letter. Obtain an employer identification number, EIN. If you haven't already got one, you'll need an EIN from the IRS. This number is essential for tax purposes and will be used in all your employment tax documents. You can apply for an EIN online, by fax, or via mail. Register for state taxes and insurance. Depending on your location, you may need to register with your state's Labour Department and set up unemployment insurance and workers' compensation coverage. Each state has different requirements, so check your local regulations. Set up your payroll. Setting up payroll is critical. You'll need to decide how often to pay your employees, set up tax withholding, and ensure you're complying with local and federal employment laws. It might be helpful to use a payroll service provider or software to simplify this process. Complete required legal documentation. There are a few forms every new hire must complete. Employment eligibility verification, employees withholding certificate. Ensure these forms are completed, signed and stored securely in your records. Onboard your new employee. A successful onboarding process can make a huge difference in how quickly your new employee becomes productive. Plan their first few weeks, introduce them to their colleagues, and provide the training they need to succeed in their new role. Adding an employee to your LLC is a significant step towards growing your business. By following these steps, you'll ensure that the process is smooth and compliant with all legal requirements. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more business tips and tricks. Any questions about hiring? Drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help.